Assalamu alaikum. Class 4, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start unit number 4, factors and multiplication. The topic is prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is a process by which a given number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers which are the factors of numbers. It means prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the ordinal number. Before starting the exercise, let's review some of the definitions which you studied in the previous lectures. That what are factors and what are multiples. A factor of a number is a number that divides the number exactly without any remainder. For example, 2 is a factor of 12 because 2 divides 12 exactly. 12 divided by 6 is equals to 2. So, 6 is a factor of 12. And what are multiples? A multiple is a number that can be divided by another number a certain number of times without a remainder. For example, 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 15. So, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. Class 4, there are two methods of prime factorization of numbers. The first one is factorization method and the second one is factor tree method. Today we will learn how to find the prime factors of the numbers by factorization and factor tree method.